My dear daughter, please wake up.
No, Mom, 5 more minutes.
Okay, I will come after 5 minutes.
Okay, Mom.
It's already 5 minutes. Wake up.
Okay, Mom. We'll make our breakfast first.
Okay, I'm going to make your tiffin. What would you like to have your tiffin today?
Well, we would like to have Nutella and bread.
Okay, I'll make it. Hey, boys, wake up! It's already 5 minutes late.
Please give 5 minutes.
No more times. Wake up just now. Today you two are already 15 minutes late. That's why you get your punishment. You don't get your lunch today.
Hey Anjum, have you done Fahamis's homework?
Oh no, I forgot.
Then Fahamis will beat you.
Have you done Fahamis's homework?
Of course, I have done.
I wish Fahamis did not come today.
I wish too. Let's see. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, my students.
How are you, miss?
I am sick today, my dear.
Then you have to take rest today.
Yes, my dear, but today I will not take your class.
Really?
Yes, my dear, today you will have a game class.
Yay!
Shabaz, did you do Fahamis's homework?
No, I didn't.
I also didn't do it. Fahamis is going to beat us.
Oh no.
We're doomed. Good morning, my students. Good morning, miss. How are you, miss? I'm fine, but I'm sick today. Oh, miss, then you should take rest. It's my responsibility to take your class. Have you done your homework? Show me. No, miss, I didn't do it. Then go out and go to the principal office. Sorry. Mom, we are home.
Oh, you're home. Now you take your shower and you have your lunch. Then you take a nap.
But Mom, we want to play.
After napping, you will play.
Yay, Mom. Mom, we are home.
Oh, we are home. Now you take your shower.
But Mom, we are so hungry.
After shower, I will feed you.
But Mom, we are so tired.
You don't have time.
But Mom, we can play.
Your coaching is start at 3 p.m. Now you take your shower and get ready.